Good morning. So it's Saturday morning and it's cold and wet. The weather has gone cuckoo again. Today it decided to rain and I just saw my husband outside doing something.
Outside!
Look, nandoon na naman siya. Ano na naman ginagawa niya, and it's raining. Look at that. Ayan, so he's supposed to be sleeping in. Pero ayun, hindi na naman siya mapakali kung ano-ano namang pinaggagawa niya. Wala, sige. Lakay Hendre! Inyo man arami duman. You look so nice by the yellow flowers. Ayan, wow, okay, mag-ano ka? Pose. Anong gagawin mo?
Nakatanim na ako.
Ha? Nagtanim ka na ng grass? Oh my gosh. Okay, so he planted some seeds, grass seeds. Ayan, para magpantay na yung aming grass. Kaaginanakan Rain or shine? Rain or shine, tuloy ang trabaho. O ngayon, anong gagawin mo ngayon?
Pag naan para habang tumutubo yung grass.
Oh, okay. Lakaran daw habang tumutubo yung grass. Oh my gosh. Nagmayat ti agilad-ilad na. Makatuyan, agilad-ilad kan. Oh my God, it's so cold. Nandito ako sa loob ng bahay and I feel the cold. O siya, ganyan siya. Wala siyang pakialam. Rain or shine. Tuloy ang buhay.
Bawal ang tamad.
Bawal ang tamad. O, tapos, ano pang gagawin mo? Marami pa doon. Gano'n.
Cut this.
What? For what?
Para pagkaan. Tagsit.
Yung granite na yan, that used to be our dining table. But then he decided to change our dining table. Dinala niya dito sa labas. Napakabigat ng granite table na yan. So now he's gonna cut it into 2 daw para mabuhat niya. That's pretty thick. So are you gonna do that right now?
Wala na una.
Makatuyan, aginanat matin na intag ag Netflix tan. Come here, Lakay. Sige. Sige, umuulan. Go, Paren, go.